Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically activate the text to speech feature on Discord. It's already enabled. If you go to user settings and go to accessibility, if you scroll down here, there's going to be a text to speech rate as well, and if you preview it, it's going to preview the text to speech rate. You can make it slower and you can make it faster. Just going to press escape. And then here I'm just going to type in, for instance, testing this text-to-speech feature on Discord. Just press enter, and then you're just going to right-click on the message, and then press speak message.
Red Velvet Swift said testing this text-to-speech feature on Discord.
And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!